State PC and PNDT cell found no evidence of sex determination of fetus during inspection at 329 clinics with ultrasound facility in 2018. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana for farmers at Ranchi in Jharkhand. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibetho Thokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Media sensitization workshop against sex determination of fetus under preconception and prenatal diagnostic techniques PC and PNDT Act was held at the conference hall of Health and Family Welfare Department today. The PC-PNDT Act was enacted on September 20, 1994 with an aim to prohibit prenatal diagnostic techniques for determination of sex of fetus leading to female ferticide. Speaking at the workshop, Health Director Dr. K. Raju stated that despite the act, population of girl child considerably decreased in 2011 census as compared to 2001 census. He said that investigation is on to determine whether the decline in girl child population is due to genetic and geographical problem or due to non-registration of newborn girl child in remote areas. Stating that there was no evidence of sex determination when state PC and PNDT cell inspected 329 clinics with ultrasound facility in 2018, Dr. Raju warned that stringent measures will be taken against violators of the Act. Urging people to disregard stigma against girl child, the health director termed it unfortunate that parents often neglect giving polio and Japanese encephalitis vaccination to their girl child. He also mentioned that inadequate funds sanctioned by National Health Mission has hindered execution of centers' instruction to empower PC and PNDT cell. He said that even organizing a sensitization workshop is difficult in the wake of financial crunch.
Yakoi Manipur dasu genetic problem lana natra geographic problem na haiba yakoi na taseng na angang lokthoi habi sign di phangdaba angang sidai da nupi sing je khantok lokthoi habi sign di phangdaba adugu nupi gi masing di tarpa masine yakoi na kamai tawdagi si koi ni PC ni PNDT si koi mapung phana implement torga nupi gi masing je khaitai hengat pa yabra haiba si yakoi na program asina yakoi yam kan honajari hojiti nupi gi importance se women empower na moi phajan education tambiba nupi singja koi thawuk piba moigi status hengalanba moigi nupa ga nupi ga mananabagi yakoi gender equality se lehanba masi yakoi yam kana koi gi state sida yakoi masi phajana masi yakoi implement tawi.
National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NELIT along with CSC E-Governance Service India Limited, Department of Information Technology Manipur and SBI organized a state-level workshop on digital payment awareness program at this seminar hall today. Experts highlighted on the benefits offered by digital payment sites and precautions required while using these websites at the workshop sponsored by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Speaking at the workshop, Institutional Finance Director, Government of Manipur, Enna Arambam said that digital payment system helps in curbing corruption and circulation of black money. While NELIT Executive Director T.H. Prameshwar urged people not to share digital payment details like credit card and debit card details to anyone. He also stated that bank officials will never ask bank account details over the phone from the customers.
When digital payments, everyone in the economy can benefit from the outcomes. This is through increased efficiency and speed, by increasing accountability and tracking, thereby reducing corruption and theft as a result. With digital payments, we aim to ensure that there is eradication of corruption and that the benefits reach the target groups.
Mobile phone mobile phone. Please have a mobile phone only once. Anything you want to do in a digital has somewhere something has to link with a mobile. BLE वगैरह सु Udyog Aadhaar da nang MSME gi nang register to ge harasu mobile number ama yok to shuya yaroi bank or rasu mobile number ama yok to anything digital world you require a mobile number, and if you keep on changing, it's like changing your identity.
Two-day annual group meet aimed to enhance production of rabi pulses like peas in India, including Manipur, kicked off at the auditorium of Central Agriculture University, KAU Imphal in December today. KAU Imphal, along with ICAR Indian Institute of Pulses Research, Kanpur, organized the meet. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Director Research of KAU Imphal, Dr. T.H. Robindru, stated that KAU Imphal expects to get suggestions from experts on the varieties of rabi pulses suitable for cultivation in Manipur. Extension Education Director of KAU Imphal, Dr. Ratan Kumar Saha, and experts from ICAR New Delhi and ICAR IIPR Kanpur attended the event.
Hawaii track adu loina Hawaii kasari musori singa se khoi gi Manipur su yam paksana hojik si gi hosila poloina all India goina Everest da masi mato karamna masi potok hengala hala kanda khoi gi all India coordinated research project AICRP mulap si gi makha si dai khoi lairiba moi gi India goina khoi gi laiba scientist singa sina mai magi state pangtho iba mai magi state ta khoi gi tawriba research da khoi gi base oraga mai magi finding mayam du ngasi khoi sidai da ngasi da gi hawraga hayeng bok chatha ga doriba siguma numin ini gi oiba khoi Indian group mit sida khoi punna mai magi khoi karama variety ne hena sanai Manipur dana karama sanai UP dana karama sanai Punjab dana karama sanai haiba singa se khoi gi honorable pieces khoi Professor M Prem Singh mingeng makada na se khoi maroina khoi Central University na all India goina khoi hari program se host tawjabani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi launching Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana for farmers at Ranchi. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana for farmers at Ranchi in Jharkhand today. The Prime Minister also launched Pradhan Mantri Laghu Vyaparik Mandhan Yojana and Swarojgar Pension Scheme on the occasion. He also inaugurated a new building of Jharkhand Assembly and a multi-model terminal worth around 465 crore rupees at Sahibganj, Jharkhand during his visit to the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also laid the foundation stones through online for 462 Eklavya model schools across the country, of which 6 will be established in 13 of Jharkhand's 24 districts. All the small and marginal farmers who are currently between the ages of 18 to 40 years can register themselves to avail the benefits of the Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana pension scheme. The pension scheme will secure the lives of 5 crore small and marginal farmers by providing a minimum pension of Rs 3,000 per month to those who have attained the age of 60. A total of 1,16,183 farmers in Jharkhand have reportedly registered themselves under the scheme so far. Consul General of India Nandan Singh Vaisora and Chairman of Mami Tawan Foundation Romi Maite jointly flagged off Manipuri cyclist G. Angobi's cycling tour from Mandalay today. He will pass through Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam and Singapore, carrying the message of One World, One Family. Convener of AGHIS policy R.K. Chandra, Manipuri film actors, singers and folk singer Manka Mayanglambam, who are in the Mandalay as a part of the expedition team titled Mami Thawangi Awa Khongchat Lipunwari, joined the event. India's leading mattress brand Sleepwell Company offers quality mattresses, pillows, bed sheets and many other products. Opened its showroom at Moirangkom, Imphal West today. Renowned Manipuri film actress Sorokhaibam Nikki inaugurated the second Sleepwell showroom in Manipur. The showroom is giving 20% inaugural discount for 5 days. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State PC and PNPT cell found no evidence of sex discrimination of fetus during inspection at 329 clinics with ultrasound facility in 2018. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana for farmers at Ranchi in Jharkhand.